Anyway, guys, so welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. But without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. So, over here, guys, it took to her Facebook account, and this is what she has to say. Yo, yeah, shame. I've been through a lot in this life. Yeah. One thing I have learned it is that life needs a strong person. Dust yourself off, move and force it no matter what. Sometimes you survive things you never thought you would recover from. That's why I'll forever thank myself for not giving up. Over your guys, she's saying, oh God, in this life you need to be strong. No one is here to save you, guys. After that, she posted her new apartment, saying turning my apartment into a home. She's currently busy buying furniture, guys. A huge congratulations to Vuyo guys. Guys, we all know that Vuyo guys went through a lot after the reality show Izinganisa's Tembo season 3. I think that was season 2, guys. When she broke up with Mpumelelo, there was a lot of rumors. Xolani came in, they got married with Xolani, never met. It was a lot. There was a time where Xolani's family wanted amalobolo yabo back. Vuyo guys saying, calling her a gold digger, baby Maya Xolani was exposing Vuyo guys. I still remember people were calling Vuyo guys lazy girl. She could make money online. Vuyo guys decided to start 2 beautiful business, and currently she's doing so well. I think last week she was in Turkey. I'm not sure, guys. She's currently living her best life. She was in a vacation. They were celebrating 10 years in that company. So, guys, there's a lot of things that is going on in Vuyo guys' life. So right now she's saying, oh, good. If I gave up on myself, I won't be here where I am today. I'm forever grateful for myself for not giving up. So it is a tell me a conversation. What do you think about this?